If you want to know how to do Superscript in Squarespace, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to add Superscript text using a Markdown block so you can display things like X-squared, footnotes, symbols, and formulas cleanly on your Squarespace page. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace page and go to the section where you want to add the Superscript text. Inside that section, click Add Block. This is where you can insert different types of content onto your page, like text, images, buttons, and code style blocks. For Superscript, we're going to use Markdown. From the block options, select Markdown instead of the regular text block. This is important because Markdown allows you to type HTML style formatting directly into the content. Once the Markdown block appears, double-click inside it to open the editing box. Now type your text using the standard HTML tag. The format is very simple. You type the normal text first, then wrap the part you want in Superscript inside opening and closing subtags. For example, if you want to write the formula as x squared, you would paste this exact text. The formula is x less than sup greater than 2 less than slash sup greater than for this calculation. When you enter it into Squarespace, it should look like this in the editor. The formula is x2 for this calculation. This tells Squarespace to render the 2 as Superscript instead of normal text. After that, click outside the block. Squarespace will instantly convert it and display the result properly on the page as x squared. You should now see the Superscript formatted exactly the way you want it. If it doesn't appear right away, make sure you type the tag correctly and that you use the Markdown block, not the standard text editor. The sup tag has to be written exactly as opening angle bracket, sup closing angle bracket, then your number or text, then the closing sup tag. This method is great for math notation, chemical formulas, references, trademark style text, and anytime you need small raised characters on your Squarespace site. It's fast, simple, and doesn't require any extra plugins. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Squarespace tips, website design help, and beginner-friendly how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.